Right now there are so many diagnostic tools on the market, it can be overwhelming and really difficult to choose the right one for you, your needs and your vehicle. We've tried and tested hundreds of them and there are a lot of lemons out there, so in this guide we'll help you avoid those lemons and make sure you choose the right scan tool that works for you, your needs, your vehicle and of course your budget. So if you need a tool for a basic airbag or check engine light reset, through to a more complex tool for coding and adaptions, then this guide will help you out. So let's get started. We have two tools on the table and that really speaks volumes about the level of and the amount of diagnostic tools that are available for Mclaren cars. There's just not a lot out there on the market. So we're going to show you, we're going to do as best as we can, but these two tools do have a good reputation and they are good sellers at Diagnostic World. So this is the iCarSoft i820. Now, to be honest with you, this is kind of a budget tool. It's a cheap generic diagnostic tool which will allow you to diagnose engine faults only. It'll only do engine faults and basic live engine data on your Mclaren. So this is really good if you've got a check engine light. Don't get me wrong, it's cheap. It'll allow you to diagnose it, reset it fairly easily. However, if you've got more advanced systems like airbag systems or traction control, transmission faults, ABS faults, this just isn't going to cover it, unfortunately, okay? This is, to be honest with you, it works on Mclaren cars, but it also works on other makes and models as well. So it really is kind of, you can see how we're kind of scraping the barrel when it comes to finding tools for Mclaren that kind of do just a little bit more than the basic, because what you'll find is this is kind of cheaper, kind of a cheaper tool, but the next jump up is really quite expensive, and I'll come to that in a moment. So yeah, I mean, if you've got a check engine light in one of your Mclarens, then by all means this tool will allow you to do that. But if you've got anything other than a check engine light that you need to reset or diagnose, look at, then I'd say don't go for this one. I'd say you probably have to either accept that you either need to take it to a garage every time you have a problem like that, a workshop who will have the dedicated software, the dedicated tools, or you need to invest in a tool like this, okay? This is the Autel MK908 Pro 2 kit, which is a little bit of a mouthful, and it really does pack an awful powerful punch because it is loaded with software that a lot of the lower end diagnostic tools just can't even go anywhere near. So this covers pretty much, I would say probably 95% of the Mclaren tools out there. I'll pop the all of the on the screen here. I'll show you all of the models that it currently covers. But not only does it cover the engine system like this will, but this will cover kind of like all systems, okay? So it'll cover your engines, it'll do your ABS, your traction, your airbag systems, your transmission systems, and any other kind of system that you've got going on within that vehicle. It will allow you to diagnose and reset that. So, you know, it covers all kind of models like the 600s, 675s, 540s, 570s, the Senna even, 675s, 625s, Spiders and the Coupes. So not only does it do your systems though, so every system that is included in that vehicle, but it also does a few what we call service functions as well. So it'll allow you to do the oil service reset. So if you've got an oil service message, this will allow you to reset that. It'll allow you to do the electronic parking brake. So if you need to change the pads, you can open and close the calipers. You can do throttle adaptions. And if you also need to put a new ECU in, so like a new control module for say the engine or the airbags or the ABS system, then this will program the VIN number to that ECU or module, okay? So that's quite an important feature. If you have one of your modules fail, only kind of specialist equipment can do that. Well, this can do that, okay? But yeah, it's quite expensive, to be honest with you. I mean, at the time of making this video, it's like £1,995. It's just, there's just no getting away from it because they put all of this, the really high-end software in the expensive tools. I wish we could provide like a lower price tool, like something like this. For example, this is a Porsche tool and it covers all systems within Porsche models. So it'll do your engines, airbags, ABS, transmission for quite a good price. That's like £99. But they just don't exist for the McLaren cars. So if you've got a McLaren, either make your peace with either just settling for an engine reset tool or an all system tool, but you will pay a lot of money for it, or take it to a garage or workshop every time you have a fault, every time you have a problem. There's just no getting away from it, okay? But I hope this helps. I'll pop the links to these kits in the description below this video. If you do by any chance need to email us or get clarification on whether these tools will work on a certain McLaren model, then by all means please do send us an email. The email address should be on screen. I'll also put it in the description below. But as I say, links to these in the description. Thanks for watching, and I apologize that we just don't have more to offer. Well, this is the best we can do given the circumstances. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.